Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're having an issue with the Windows modules installer service experiences with a very high disk usage. So basically, Windows modules installer worker is a critical Windows core system process whose functions is to check and install Windows updates automatically. This process has administrator level permissions and works in the background to install all the necessary updates without needing any user interference. So yan po yung ibig sabihin niya mga kaibigan, ang Windows modules installer worker. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and I'll show you some effective solutions to resolve it. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And then dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung troubleshoot settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa troubleshoot settings and under dito lang sa options, kailangan mo lang select dito yung other troubleshooters. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa other troubleshooters, under dito sa most frequent, ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung Windows Update. And then dito lang sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click tong Run. And then wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na troubleshooting has completed. So ang next step natin gagawin, so close lang natin to. So dito lang ulit sa search menu, and then type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all is small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan, this process will take some time, beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. So, ang next step natin gagawin, so, close lang natin tong CMD. And then dito lang si start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang yun. Alright, so ganoon na po kasimple on how to fix the Windows modules installer 100% usage this issue. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.